Yes. Nice time, everyone. This video I'm going to share with you something small about the rank using Microsoft Excel. So in this thing, briefly, I'm going to show you how you can take it simply. So previously, you have seen how you can enter data, the common errors available, and how you can go through on how to open your Microsoft Excel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to make the rank or make a position. Let's say you're a class teacher or you're an administrator somewhere, you want to rank things basing on the averages or marks or total positions. So that's how you have to go about it. So with this rank and with this, I'm going to take it slowly and softly. So in this one, I already have my data here. My file is already existing. So let me just export them here. Briefly, let's export them and just know how we're going to operate with it. So I've exported this. Now otherwise, let us go and see how we can rank our thing. So with this, let us go straight on how we are going to rank with this now. With the rank position, this is a tabulation. This is a fixed formula that we have to use it in this way. You see here the total. How do we calculate the position? So we calculate the position basing on the total or the averages of things, or according to any other perspective that you know, because here you can have as many as thousands of students, thousands of members that you want to rank them. In this thing, I've just made a sample of 7. So here it can be 1,000, 100, and like that. So in this, if you want to rank it according to the total of the marks, or according to the performance of history alone, okay. If you want to rank them according to the performance of according to chemistry alone, is fine, is very possible. So let us go and make the total. In the previous thing, we have seen how you can make the sum, the total of it. We say it is the sum, and you have to open the brackets. Which value you're going to use from C2 to H2. So this is a reference. This is what we call the references. So in the other errors, we say the references. So it means when you've referred this C2 to H2. See, this is a wrong reference. This Excel is not going to recognize it. So you have to make a correct references. So this is now meaning the references of the type. So you have to enter. So the value has already come. I said to this you can either double click or you can drag. So it's entirely that. So when you want to make it according to average, so according to average, how do you do it? You say equal signs, then you press average. Okay, so the average is here. So the average, how are we going to do it? Which form are we going to use it? We're going to use the average of C2 to of max is C2 to H2. So we see them the same thing, but brings different values. So the average is all these marks is only what is going to appear here. So in this case you have to enter. So average of this band is 65 point that one. So the averages of this. So clearly you can begin to picture out who is position 1, who is as excellence, who has done it better. So with this you have seen. So with the position, there's a specific formula we have to use it. We have to use the specific formula which is rank. That is it. The space you have to use, without rank, equal sign rank, you cannot come to get the answer. Yes. So is which one are we going to use? We're going to use the total, or we are going to use? Are we going to use the total, or we are going to use the averages? So let us use the total first, and we see the differences. So with the rank, we say from cell J. Yes, it's in the column J, and it's which word? J2, comma. So this J2 is just to indicate the column you are using. So now you are going to describe the references. So it's J2, 2. You are using J2, the column is the column of J2, so it's going to be J2 up to J7, and close. So watch this clearly. What if when I press enter, just brought for us. So this one is already in position 2, and when you see, double click, as brought for us. But as you see, is it good? Is it okay with the ranking? What does this imply? When it has brought for us this, you see the formula here. We say cosine rank J2, from J2 to J. Is it J2 to J8? It's not J7 to J8. Yes. So enter. So after it, you see the changes again. It's still like that. So when you compare, is it mean the person position 1, position 1, position 1, are they having the same marks? No. So it means you have used a wrong formula and there's something missing. So with the rank, you have to describe it using a hash value. So how? When you correct it from here. Now when you see, you say describe the cell J2, and now when you are going to describe it, you use hash. The dollar sign, I mean the dollar sign. So when you use the dollar sign, is here what it means, what I'm meaning to be the dollar sign in middle of them. So you see there where I'm placing my dollar sign. You have to watch them clearly where I'm placing the dollar sign. So this is how the rank formula that the computer knows where it is, that one. So when we press enter, it has brought for us that. So you can see now the changes. It has changed. So now it has ranked for us accordingly. It has ranked for us in the correct way because, as I told you, the PC understands the best language. So the formula used to calculate the position of this is just very simple, and you can see cosine rank, and you don't have to. You have to describe the location, the code, the cell, and you have to describe the row and the column that you are going to consider. Now we are considering this column J, and it's starting from J to J, and that's why you see. So it's still the same thing. Now when you're going to use, but when you use the average, will it bring us the same thing? Will it bring the same thing? You say rank according to average. You say rank, open brackets, and it's described. You're using the average, which is K, and it's in K2. So you put a comma. So now you describe using a dollar sign, K2 to dollar sign, K, dollar sign, and up to K8. You see, then you have not to forget this. So This dollar sign should be also in the middle here, like this. So when you are done, you press enter. So after enter, you see what it has brought. According to averages, this is it. So this is how it brings us to know about the ranking. According to the total is this, and according to the averages is C. And position 1 still remains position 1. Position 2 is coming to 66 points. Then position 1, position 2. There are 2 people in position 2, and then like this in position 3, 4, and like that. So with this, that is how it is. So that is briefly how you can rank. This is briefly how you can rank according to the marks attained, and this is how you can rank according to the average marks. So just want to say thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next video, and let's continue watching this, and subscribe, like, comment. Have a good time. We meet in the next video. Thank you.